Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the SSID network name on your TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the admin page of your router. So to do that, you're going to have to connect to your network. Then we're going to type in the IP address, and by default the IP address is 192.168.0.1. So now we can enter, and you might be logged out, and to log in, by default the username is admin and the password is also admin lowercase. So it should look like this. And now the next thing that we're going to do is press home. So go to the home tab, press Wi-Fi settings, and then go to the SSID settings tab. And here we have the network name SSID, so you can change this one right here. You can also read what the network name SSID is right here. And once you've changed it, make sure to press apply to save your settings, and it's going to ask you to restart, so do that. And once it restarts, your settings will be applied. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.